Hi, in this lesson you'll learn about nested if statements. To start, let's look at a real-world scenario where you are trying to decide what type of outerwear to put on before going to school. There are many ways to approach this, but here is one approach. Let's say you wake up to a cloudy day. You could first ask, is it raining? If it's not, you can wear a light jacket and sneakers. But if it is raining, you want to figure out what you should wear, rain boots or just your regular sneakers. So in order to make this decision, you need to ask another question. Will I be walking far? If you'll be walking far, you can wear a raincoat and boots. But if you're just walking from the car or bus to school, then you could probably get away with wearing a raincoat and sneakers. You might immediately think that an if-else-if statement could work here, since this scenario involves multiple conditions. The problem is, with an if-else-if statement like this, you can't check a second condition, like will I be walking far? When the first condition, is it raining, is true. Remember that only one true branch of an if-else-if structure can execute. In this scenario, however, you want to be able to still check the second condition if the first condition is true. Therefore, this code as written will not work. To address this, a slightly different selection structure is needed here. A nested if statement. You can use nested if statements if there are multiple conditions and one of them depends on the other being true. A nested if statement is an if statement that is placed within another if statement. And this can be any variety of an if statement, like an if-else-if statement, and can be nested in any branch of another if statement, like this else-if branch. In these cases, all of the inner green if statement blocks are nested within the outer purple if statement blocks. Now take a look at this new modified code, where there is a nested if-else statement inside of the first if statement. If the outer if statement is true, it is raining, you can now also ask if you're going to walk far. Depending on the evaluation of that nested if statement, one of the blocks will evaluate. Perfect. Now that you have nested if statements in your toolbox as well, it's your turn to give them a try.